Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca live in the Severe Weather Center with his updated Futurecast.
I'll tell you, a very unique storm, and as I mentioned this earlier, in all the years I've been predicting the weather around here, and it's been a pretty long time, very rarely have I seen a snowstorm where you get, this kind of steady snow falling in air that is this cold. I mean, some locations, the temperature is almost zero, not the wind chill, but the actual air temperature. I mean, usually when we get a decent snowstorm, the air temperature is somewhat mild, meaning mid and even upper 20s. We have steady and at times heavy snow falling within air that has a temperature of only 3, 4, 5 degrees above zero. So unusual. And because the air is so cold, it's a dry, fluffy snow. The wind blows it around very easily. A lot of blue on your TV set at home. This is widespread snow. There's nothing scattered about this. And the darker shades of blue indicating where it's moderate to heavy snow. So far, about 3 to 5 inches has fallen already, and additional accumulations overnight into very early tomorrow morning. So steady snow, check. Strong winds, we have that. Gusts up to 40 miles per hour along the coastline. Extreme cold, we have that as well. Single digits. In fact, wind chills are running below zero. Take a look at your Pinpoint ICAST for overnight through tomorrow morning. Just kind of take the forecast a step further, more personalized for you. And certainly the wind is a big factor in a number of ways. I mean, I'm sure the kids are going to want to go outside, play tomorrow in the snow. Dangerously cold temperatures, strong wind, gusts of 40 to 50. It's the kind of situation where you go out, you clear off your walkway, your driveway, an hour later the snow or the wind blows the snow back over it. So that's the kind of situation we're dealing with overnight into tomorrow morning. And of course, we talked all about the delays just a few minutes ago statewide. A lot of schools canceled for tomorrow. Additional cancellations are likely. Over 400 so far on our website, WPRI.com. You can certainly check that out overnight into early tomorrow morning. It's not just schools, it's some businesses and social things that are being canceled for tomorrow. And as far as the roads, you've seen the reports now. They are snow covered, and with the snowfall rates perhaps on the order of 1 inch per hour overnight, very difficult travel overnight into early tomorrow morning. So if you absolutely have to run that errand tomorrow, I would probably hold off until the afternoon, because I do expect actually the sun to come out by tomorrow afternoon, but the early morning hours will be tough. These are not the wind chills. Actual air temperature, 3 above in Gloucester, only 8 in Providence, and teens along the South Shore with wind chills running below zero. Heavy snow in Providence right now, 8 degrees. It feels like 13 below zero. That is the wind chill. Humidity at the 79%. As we widen out the view, storm system, 2 areas of low pressure, 1 and 2 offshore, helping to take Atlantic moisture, pull it into the our area where the cold air is located, and the net result is all this blue you see on the screen here, this widespread snow that extends back through upstate New York. So it will take until probably 9, 10 o'clock in the morning for the snow to completely shut off. And once the storm pulls by, look at the actual air temperatures in northern New England. This colder air will be brought back in behind the storm system as it leaves tomorrow. So even with sunshine, it is a frigid, dangerously cold day, especially tomorrow night. Starting off right now through tomorrow, the blue represents the widespread snow overnight. Here we are tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. It is a wind-blown heavy snow, especially across southeastern Massachusetts. But take note how rapidly it moves out of here. Look at the back edge. 10 o'clock in the morning, it's over, with the exception of the Cape Cod Canal and the outer Cape. By noontime, it's gone. In fact, even some breaks of sunshine, frigid sunshine. By 2 in the afternoon, still snowing out across Cape Cod. Clear skies tomorrow night. Tomorrow night will be one of the coldest nights we've seen in several years. Wind chills that'll be running well below zero. So how much snow by tomorrow morning? Final accumulations 6 to 8 in this light to blue area, 8 to 12 for most of our area, and well over 12 in eastern Massachusetts. We'll easily verify on the low end. So in the 6 to 8, easily getting 6 down here. In this 8 to 12, we'll easily pick up 8, and this 12 plus, they've already seen in some cases 15 inches of snow north of Boston. Red warning light for tomorrow for travel. It will be difficult, especially early with wind-blown snow. Actual air temperatures running only in the teens. By late morning, the snow coming to an end. Look at the improvement tomorrow afternoon in terms of sun. Things drying out with some sunshine. But as the storm really winds up tomorrow morning, near whiteout conditions, blowing and drifting snow and bitter cold wind chills. Early tomorrow morning, that'll be well below zero. Better weather tomorrow afternoon in terms of sunshine. Frigid on Saturday, below zero in the morning, only 24 in the afternoon. And a big warm-up Sunday and Monday. We're back in the 40s with of all things, rain showers by Monday and a temperature at 44. So it's not just the snow, it's the bitter cold and the strong wind, and it continues through at least 9 o'clock tomorrow morning.